Son of the legendary Captain Scott, the explorer, Sir Peter Scott founded the Wildfowl and Wetlands Trust and also helped found the Worldwide Fund for Nature, the WWF, and he was a superb artist. Originally published in 1967 under the title Happy the Man, Peter's own illustrations are included in this beautiful 432-page biography of his life in nature. Conservation, sightseeing in East Africa's game park, Slimbridge Discovered, of course, South America, Galapagos, America's Cup, Britain's Canals, Venice 1939. These are some of the chapter headings. And this wonderful biography. There we go. Published at £16.99. It's only £8 through bibliophilebooks.com. A Life in Nature.